Here I am in Azang City, Ping'an. Look, there are many visitors around me. The Azang National Forest Park is a captivating choice for those who prefer the tranquility and coolness of the forest. Some tourists are attracted by the crater lake and the dense forest, and some by the chance of getting close to little inhabitants in the forest who also like the ecological environment here.
我们是从东南沿海福建漳州来的，我们是自驾游，这个生态环境挺好的，景区这边也这各项的设施也做得挺好的。
As one of the tourist destinations embracing greater opportunities amid the strong rebound of China's tourism industry this year, this little border city with abundant natural resources has been a broadly welcomed summer resort with nearly 1.14 million visitors flocking here in the first half of 2023. In recent years, Azang City has focused on providing a wider variety of tourism products. To seek more unique experience in the nature, the Deer Park in Bailang Town would be a must visit in Azang.
我们现在是养了100多头木，占地300多亩，大小分了9个园儿。为了就是不破坏草木，我们就是分段，就是这个园儿那个待2天，那个园儿待2天。所以说我们现在这里头草长得还是挺茂盛的，每天都能达到400-500人。
Azang is an example of the thriving ecotourism in China, which benefits from the country's integrated ecological efforts and support for the cultural and tourism sector. We expect it will unleash more potential by getting more people involved in the green tourism.